Hi! In front of me is TCL 40, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this device. Start by opening Settings. Now you need to select Apps section over here and click on Permission Manager. After that, tap on one of your device's features like Location and choose one of your apps. I will go with Maps because it has a lot of options. Now you need to click on the best one for you. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to go with allow all the time, so I have to tap on it and click on the back button. Now as you can see, Maps just gained access to this device location. But you can also tap on any feature, for example microphone, select one of your apps like Messages and click on See All Messages Permissions. Then manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!